Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you 3 border tricks. First, I will show you how to apply border for selected text like this. Second, I will show you how to apply one single border for multiple paragraphs like this. And third, I will show you how to apply separate borders for different sets of paragraphs. Now, if you have a look here, there are 5 paragraphs and one single border around it. And below, if you have a look, here there are 2 paragraphs and one single border around it. Okay. Now, let's see how to achieve this. Let's get started. So first, let me increase the zoom and then let me go to the next page and create some dummy text. So let me create some more. So to apply border for selected text, the first thing is you will need to highlight the text like this, and then you can click on the home tab and then click on the drop down here which says borders, and then you can go to the borders and shadings, and from here you can just click on the first tab, borders, and then select the border that you want. You can also apply the color for that. Okay, and then here in the apply to, okay, here you will have to select text, okay, and then simply click on the OK button. So what this does is it applies the border to the selected text only. Okay, now to apply the border for multiple paragraphs, you will have to highlight multiple paragraphs at once, and then you can either go to this option here, or you can also go to the design tab and then click on page borders, and then you can click on the borders tab, and from here select the border type, and you can just make sure in the apply to drop down paragraph is selected, and then click on the OK button. This is a simple process, no doubt. Now the thing is, suppose in case if you want to include this paragraph also inside this border, I mean if you want to extend this border to this paragraph also, what you can do is quickly, immediately after applying the border, you can click inside this paragraph and then click on the repeat. So this includes this paragraph also inside this border. Suppose in case what if this option, the repeat option, doesn't work? In that case, you can just click inside the border, I mean click inside the paragraph or highlight the paragraph, and then you can just go to the page borders and again borders tab and select exactly the same border type and simply click on OK. This also extends the border to another paragraph. Alright, now what if you want to apply separate borders to different sets of paragraphs? Now the thing is, if you keep the cursor here or select the paragraph and then apply the paragraph border, then what happens is this border will be extended in case if you are applying the same border type. Okay, so now if we want the same border type and separate border, then what to do? The simple thing is you will have to click the cursor here at the beginning of the paragraph and press the enter key, and then select the paragraphs. I mean it can be one paragraph or many paragraphs, and then you can just go to the page borders, and select the border. It can be the same border, no issues, and then make sure paragraph is selected here in the apply to drop down and click on the OK button. See, in case of same border type, you will have to press the enter key. Okay, otherwise the paragraphs will be included with the previous border. So in case if let me undo this. In case if you are applying different border type, then there is no issue. You don't have to press the enter key. You can simply select or highlight the paragraphs, go to the page borders, and this time let's select a different border style and click on OK. Now you can understand this concept. See, in case of different border styles, you don't have to press the enter key. Okay, in case if you want the same border type for different sets of paragraphs, there needs to be a break between this set and the another set. Okay, so in that case you will have to click the cursor here and press the enter key, and then later apply the paragraph border. So I hope you got this concept. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, it's goodbye from hbninfotech.com.